Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by equipping the panda right away so it's ready when the match begins. Open Locker, navigate to Skins, pick the panda and hit Equip. If you have duplicates, merge or upgrade to improve stats or appearance. Once done, make sure it's assigned to the correct slot, primary weapon or character, because that determines visibility. You'll want it active before queuing, otherwise you'll lose time switching mid-match and might miss spawn timing. You'll use the panda deliberately as both a visual cue and distraction. When enemies peek or push a compound, deploy or brandish the panda to draw attention. Enemies glance at odd cosmetics, giving you a brief advantage. Once done, coordinate with smoke or flash to mask your repositioning and capitalize on the confusion. Make sure to not parade the panda in open ground. Move immediately after the distraction, so it works as a tool. You finish by verifying the panda appears in the pre-match preview and during a quick practice spawn. If it does not show, re-equip it, relaunch the client, and rejoin a match. This fixes most cosmetic sync issues. If problems persist, clear cache or reinstall the skin bundle from the store and capture screenshots with device logs to report to support. One troubleshooting tip: toggling another cosmetic on and back often forces the game to refresh the panda asset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.